Welcome back, Maynard fans. Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna do an epic Nerf gun family battle.
We are live.
Safety goggles. So everybody get their safety goggles. Safety's first. So Drake, you take your goggles.
I can't open this thing.
And Drake, Blaine, take your goggles.
Good.
Don't you
I
like-
like the colors.
You good? Are you ready for the war?
Okay, here you go.
Okay, here you go.
Yep.
Put your glasses on. We choose your gun. Oh boy. Yeah.
Bye.
You want to shoot this one?
She had this one yesterday.
Okay. Here you go.
She didn't have her finger on the trigger. There you go.
Oh,
Oh my.
you almost got me. Oh. Oh. Shoot!
Okay, Tiana, come, please.
Shoot, mommy. Here, shoot, mommy with daddy's. Shoot, mom with dad's. Shoot! Shoot! Let's go get the boys. Go get them. Get them. Shoot B. Shoot B. Shoot him. Shoot. Oh. Here. Shoot him again. Shoot. All right. Go get him. Hold on. Shoot. Shoot. Okay. Okay, Tiana. Here you go. Take the gun. Take daddy's gun. Let's go get him. Here you go. Take daddy's gun. Oh, he shot me in the face. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh yeah, now they're done. Now they're done. You can't go get daddy. Go get him. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Shoot, mom. Shoot, mom. Shoot her. Shoot.
Ready to go?
No.
Shoot her, bro. now. She's not gonna stop shooting you. Yeah.
You're hurting me. I have another bullet.
Okay, go. I'll get you back.
He's there.
All right, bro. What's our plan?
I think we should just go down sneaky.
We're gonna sneak down on them.
By surprise.
So we do. Once we see them, we don't stop shooting. All right.
We unload everything on.
Everything we got, bro.
I think
Check your ammo. See if we're good. Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm good.
Let's go get them, man.
Sorry.
Hey, where's your gun? Right here. Yeah, I think they're coming. We gotta go in a hiding spot. Okay? Where you gonna hide? Where are you gonna hide? Okay, get down there. I heard them coming. Okay.
Mom, tell me if you need me. Say, point ambush, and I ambush and I shoot them.
Okay, so, say ambush. Okay, the T under there too. Okay. Locked and loaded. Ready to go. I can hear them coming downstairs. I'm not hearing them. I think they're hiding. Jake and Damien. I can hear them. Tiana, you hiding? Yeah. Where's your gun? No. Okay, you gotta put on your glasses.
Okay, you ready to go get them, bro? Let's go. Let's get them. I don't know where the two. Slow. This one. Go. Back in. Shoot him. Cover fire! She's down. One to go. Let's get this one. You go get him. Okay.
So we're out?
Don't move.
Okay.
Don't move. Okay. Okay, bro. Let's go take these fools out. Let's go. Guns at the ready. You loaded? Okay. Shh. There's some. Check the kitchen. There's a gremlin. There's a gremlin. There's a gremlin. There's a gremlin. Okay, bro. Where did they go? Target! 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 Double shot to the head. Okay, here you go. Get him! Keep going, man! Sweating, holy Lord. Yeah?
Hope you like this. We have fun doing this.
Ready, boys?
Yeah. There's gonna be new updates in a second.
Don't forget to subscribe, touch that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos.